Welcome to this video. In this video I wanted to give you a keyword guide, but exactly how to rank Amazon affiliate sites. So I'm going to run through a very popular keyword tool with you, and I'm going to do the keyword research live so you can see exactly how to pick the keywords that you know that you can rank for, how to check the competition, and then you can use them, and you know when you're writing content you're going to rank for them. So it's really simple as well. So I recommend that you do this on any site that you build. Do check out the previous videos. You'll find one for the niche, and you'll also find one for a plan of action. So when you've got your niche area, I'm going to use the same niche area for this video for the keyword research, so it all goes in line, and you'll be able to see the niche and also a plan, so you can actually use it and build a site that will make you money. And if you want to get a huge head start, do check out the 2021 quick start and have a site built for you. I've only got 2 spots left, so this is almost gone. Only 2 spots left, 2 sites available, and what you will get is a site built for you that is actually going to rank. So you get it fully SEO'd and interlinking, the logo and the background done for you, you get the menu setup done for you. You've also got a massive coaching bonus, $995. You're going to get it for free. And what it is 14 days coaching that actually, when you get your site and it's all been set up, it shows you exactly what to do to start making money, because that's one of the biggest areas. Most people can look up how to build a site. Most people can pick a niche, you know, there's plenty of stuff online about that. Most people can even do keyword research, as you're going to see here, although you're going to get something from it. But most people know a bit about keyword research. But what happens when you get a site out there? How do you make money with it? And a lot of people hit a dead end. They don't know what to do with the site, they don't know how to add to it, and they don't know the step-by-step format to go through to make quick money or to start making a site that's going to pay them monthly. That's what the coaching will do for you. It'll give you 14 days coaching, and what will happen is you'll get your site and you just have to follow the coaching 14 days, and it will show you exactly what to do next with your site for fastest results, how to set goals and achieve them, how to set up the Google Analytics, how to write content fast so you can start building the site up, how to complete quick start guide fast for ranking, and how to complete quick start guide for monthly income, to sell it now or to build it up and make a monthly income, so you can sell it now or keep the money and build it up month after month. So do join me. It's at 50% off, so you get the site built for you 50% off, and you also get that coaching bonus as well. But there's only 2 spots left, so check out that link below and grab your spot before they go. Check out the video, you'll see all of the details. And now I'm going to show you keyword research really simply, but if you follow this, you'll be able to build a site that ranks and makes you money quite quickly. So here we go. Okay, so I'm looking at Ubersuggest, really popular keyword tool, and I'm using hot tubs as the example because that was a niche that I gave you a few videos ago, so you can check that out. And I'm going to tell you quite simply, when you get to the keyword stage, so firstly, as I mentioned in the plan, check out the plan if you haven't already, it's a few videos ago. As I mentioned there, you always want to do your product reviews first, in my opinion, okay, because there's no point in trying to get ranked for keywords when you haven't got any product reviews on your site. It's just going to be too difficult. So you always want to do that first, in my opinion. But once you've got to the keyword stage, what keywords do you add and how do you know that you can rank for them? This is what I would do. The first thing I would do is go to the Ubersuggest. It's got a trial, you could pay for it. I'm just using the free version, so you can use the free version with this, and go to SD over here, search difficulty, and click this little up and down arrow. I've already done it, but what it does is order everything from the most competitive in this tool's view down to the least competitive. Okay, and you've got the search volume per month. Again, use this as a guide because it's never absolutely spot on, but I'll show you the 3 areas that we're going to look at. Volume, the number of searches this particular keyword gets during a month, and I type in your root keyword. So what I mean by that is as wide as you can get. I've typed in hot tubs. Okay, we're going to look at cost per click, even though we're not running paid ads, Google ads. I just want to show you something you can do that's really cool with this. So cost per click and also search difficulty. Okay, so firstly, if we look at search difficulty, what you're aiming for is anything under 50 and you should be fine. Okay, so really simple. When you're looking for your keywords, anything under 50 you should be able to rank for if you build a site as I show. Okay, and you've got all these keywords here, so you can see this one, hot tubs cost 9,900 searches a month and only 45 search difficulty. If you want to be virtually guaranteed that you can rank it, it's anywhere under 30. You'll have to get the 7-day free trial to be able to open that up, of course. But if you don't want to do that, just go for anything under 50 and it will give you these key phrases, and you can also type in other key phrases to try out as well, and you can export to CSV if you want to keep them. Okay, so hot tubs, 4 people, 4-person hot tubs has 9,900 searches and only a 38 search difficulty. Okay, and we'll have a look at some of these. So here we go. Okay, so just walk you through this. This is the first thing I would do. So you get a phrase like this, 38 search difficulty for this, 9,900 searches. So you want to aim, I'd aim for, I tend to go quite low here. You don't have to. Anything over 5,000 is definitely worth doing. I tend to go right down to 2,000 if it's easy to rank for, or even 1,000 if I think that it's going to be a buying key phrase, which I'll show you how to tell in just a second. But you've got hot tubs 4-person here, okay? And then we go over to Google and I've just typed in 4-person hot tubs. The first thing I do is type it in and just have a look at it and see what's on the first page. So the first thing that you're looking for is there's people running ads on the first page. They're paying for those ads. That's always a good sign. It means that people are paying to be there. That means if they're paying to be there, then it must be profitable, otherwise they wouldn't be paying. So people buy off this phrase. The next thing I look is on the first page and look at the general sites. Okay, so you'll find a lot of, in this particular case, a lot of high authority domains like Amazon and Master Spas and Lowe's and Home Depot. Okay, the next thing I do is type it in quotes, and what that says to Google is just bring up all the pages that are competing just for this phrase. So 4-person hot tubs, and it's only got 73,500 results, which is still a lot, but it's not the most competitive in the world now. And then if we look at here, Overstock, the Tub Store, Hot Spring, Marquee Spas, Walmart, Hot Tub, Hydro Spools, and so on. Okay, so and there's ads there as well. So the next thing I would do, this is how to get ranked on the key phrase. This is the way I recommend doing it. When you're writing your keyword article, you could have 4-person hot tubs to buy in 2021. Okay, and you could have like a list. This is how I would format it, like 4-person hot tubs, top 10 4-person hot tubs in 2021 to buy, and you can have your list and your description about each one. But for your sections that you've got on, so you've got this list like in at number 1, in at number 2, in at number 3. For your sections, like what's the best hot tub and all the information you need there. If you come down here, you'll see related searches or LSI key phrases. Okay, related searches, and this means that these are the searches that Google deem very relevant to that search phrase. So what you can do to really make sure that you're ranking is you've got 4-person hot tubs, 4-person hot tub reviews, which is the best 4-person hot tub to buy. Okay, but you could also have another section on there, 4-person inflatable hot tub. So you could do it like top 10 of them, and then say, would you prefer a 4-person inflatable hot tub? Here's the top 5. The best 4-person hot tub. So you could have another section on the same article. It'd be a large article to get ranked on this, but you could have another section saying, here's the best 4-person hot tub. Okay, so out of our top 10 choices, we recommend this one as the best because it gives you XYZ. Okay, 4-person hot tub with lounger, 4-person hot tub 220 volts, and you could also search for other phrases related to the power as well. These are all things that people search for. 4-person hot tub dimensions, how big is a 4-person hot tub? You could research that, and these would be the subheadings. You'd edit them slightly. You wouldn't just put 4-person hot tub dimensions, but you'd have a subheading like what will you commonly find a hot tub that will fit 4 people the dimensions to be. So you just edit it to sound normal, okay? But my point is this: if you had an article with the top 10 4-person hot tubs, and you include all of these related searches, and they were subheadings for the main article, and you had all of that on there, you'd do really, really well, because Google would find you very, very relevant. And you've also got where you can get other really cool phrases is in images. You see here, these are brought up on the images now, like portable, rectangular. You can use them as well because they'll be relevant as well. So that's exact step by step. I'd write an article for 4-person hot tubs as my main phrase, and I'd include as many of these as I can. The other thing that I'd include is questions like this: how much does people also ask, how much does a 4-person hot tub cost? So you've got all the questions that people ask, and if you answer these on your page, there's the dimensions one. If you answer these on your page in your own words and your own material, you'll do really, really well for that phrase. So that's exactly how to write it. Now there's one other thing that I want to show you. How you can tell before you write. So what we've looked at is the competition and the search amount, okay? But how you can get a good idea of how much that key phrase is worth is by looking at the cost per click. And what this would do, if you forget competition just for a second and you forget even search volume, what this will do is it will actually show you hot tub jacuzzi, hot tubs for sale near me, hot tubs and hot tubs to buy. Each click, cost per click in the States, would cost you $2.32 per click on average, okay? In fact, let's see how it's explained to us. Average cost per click if you wanted to pay Google to be seen as an ad. If someone's paying a high cost per click, the keyword is usually more valuable. So this means that you've got here all the most valuable key phrases, and look at some of these. Hot tub dealers near me, 29 search difficulty, but people were paying to be on Google's first page, $3.51. So when you've got an Amazon affiliate site and you're targeting a phrase like hot tub dealers near me, I know it's going to sound weird because you're promoting an Amazon product. So what you can do is have an article saying, hot tubs dealers near me, should you order your hot tub privately off a dealer or should you buy online? So you can turn it around to fit the key phrase, and you can actually put all the benefits of buying it online and all the benefits of buying it from a dealer. You can even link to more affiliate networks. So that's a really, really cool way that you can do it. That will still get you ranked, and you know that is really, really profitable because the cost per click, okay? Hot tubs and spas and so on. So that's another way you can do it, and you'll know then what we've worked out is exactly how to write it, how to pick them, what the search difficulty you should be looking at, and how to find the most profitable in terms of cost per click. You can see here like $3.51 and $3.28. You can see exactly how profitable they are. So that is exactly how to do it. I just wanted to give you a video that shows you how to do keyword research properly, and how to, even if you did 5 or 6 of these articles on your site and link them all together, you would do really, really well in the rankings. So check out the other videos I did for more information, and do grab yourself a quick start site if you want it all done for you. And to get what it will do for you is give you a quick start. It will give you a site up and out there, built properly, 3,000 words per page, fully SEO'd and interlinking. We don't have to do hot tubs. Logo and background done for you, menu setup done for you, and a massive quick start coaching bonus, so you can actually get this stuff done and making some money. So do check that out. Thanks ever so much for watching, guys. Give us a like if you liked it, and let me know any questions, and I will see you in the next one.